going on YouTube? It's your boy Will over here at Great Car Mods. Got a mod coming to you today, special one. Alright, but go ahead and show you the monster. So the mod we got going on today will be tail light tint. Now I do have the tail light tint here, and we'll also be doing headlight tint as well. So this is actually from VVivid. You want to know anything about VVivid? They're just as good as 3M, but they're a lot cheaper. But they also have great quality, and the quality is actually thick as well. So that's definitely what you want to protect your car against bugs. But right now, see, I already have it tinted, and then the tint looks good, except the whole thing is it's plastic dip. So if anyone ever dealt with plastic dip, it was pretty messy applying it, but it lasts. It did what it was supposed to do. So, but it's time for it to come off. We're gonna go ahead and get a cold start going. Move it forward, and this is the legendary slingshot right here. I've already seen it in a couple videos, but this is a 2020 Scatpack, and this is a 2019 Polaris slingshot. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take all this off and get it cleaned up, taped off and all that, and I'll be right back. And then we'll start the install. This is the process so far. Oh yeah, gotta get that light. If you're in the garage, gotta get that light. So this is the finishing product right here. Gloss. See through, get the scat on there. Check that out. Some honeycombs. The honeycombs all the way through. Tail light tint. Can't beat it. So this is the end results. You see the honeycomb in it. So it's on both sides. Gotta love that engine bay. But it's on both sides. Got that done. And it's pretty much how you install it. Like I said, VVivid vinyl wrapping. Hey, can't beat it. It's a great product. It's thick. They also have the honeycomb. They have a smoke dark tint. They have a light tint. They have a variety of stuff on the actual website. And like I said, it's not expensive. Do your research, because a lot of people think just because I say that it's not expensive that it's cheap, and they think that that's cheap material. It's not cheap material. They just don't bust your head for it. And that's what I'm bringing to my channel. So once again, this Will over here at Great Car Mods. Thank you, and have a blessed day.